Welcome to Make Money with Video Marketing Training Chapter 59. How to create a video with a prompt using Morph Studio. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to create a video with a prompt using Morph Studio. Step by step. So let's get started. Go to Morph Studio, and then log in with your account. In the dashboard section, you can see the text to video and image to video options. In this video we will use prompt to create a video. So click text to video. The next step is to enter your video prompt in this column. Next you can set the camera direction, duration and also motion in this column. If everything is good, click the star icon to start creating your video. Wait a few moments, and Morph Studio will create a video for you according to the prompt you gave. You can also download the video directly by clicking the download icon. That's how to create a video with a prompt using Morph Studio. See you in the next tutorial.